Let's solve this together. Given that x, let's write it out like this: x power negative n, then all power 4 is equal to 1 over x power 6. We are to find the value of n. Now, let's first open this bracket such that we have x power, the law of indices, we multiply the powers so that we have negative 4n, and this will be equal to x power 1 over anything is same thing as that thing power minus 1. So this will be x power negative 6. Now that we are having the same base, x on the left hand side and x on the right hand side, we can equate the powers. We equate the powers such that negative 4n will be equal to negative 6. And now we can divide both sides by negative 4. Negative 4. So that n will be equal to 6 over 4. And this is the same thing as 3 over 2. So n is equal to 3 over 2.